Hi, I'm Patria, and like most Jamaicans, I love my belly. The kitchen is hands down my favorite spot in the house. And after cooking, I have a lot of vegetable peels, natural stuff. Now, usually those things would go into the garbage, but now they're going to my compost heap. Kind of like what my grandpa used to do, except he didn't call it composting. For him, he had a rule. If it came from the ground, it needed to go back in the ground, and that's what I do now. Did you know that over 60% of Jamaica's garbage is organic, which means it can break down naturally in the environment? Since I started composting, I have so much less garbage to be collected. If you want to learn more about starting a compost heap in your backyard or school, log on to www.noduttyupjamaica.org.
Brought to you by the Tourism Enhancement Fund and Wisinco.